simplest way to perform disk cleanup and improve system performance. Press the Windows key on your keyboard or click the Start button in the bottom left corner of the screen. Type Disk Cleanup into the search bar and press Enter. This will launch the Disk Cleanup utility. The Disk Cleanup utility will prompt you to select a drive to clean up. Typically, this will be the C drive, which is your system drive. Select it and click OK. Disk Cleanup will analyze your selected drive and calculate how much space can be freed up by removing unnecessary files. After the analysis is complete, you'll see a list of file categories with checkboxes next to them. Choose File Categories to clean. Review the list of file categories, which may include items like temporary internet files, recycle bin, temporary files, and more. Check the boxes next to the categories you want to clean. Windows will automatically suggest files for deletion based on your selections. Once you've selected the file categories to clean, click the OK button. A confirmation dialog will appear, asking if you want to permanently delete these files. Click Delete Files to proceed. Disk Cleanup will start removing the selected files. The process may take a few minutes, depending on the amount of data to be cleaned. In some cases, Disk Cleanup may prompt you to restart your computer to complete the cleanup process. If prompted, save any open work and restart your computer. It's a good practice to perform disk cleanup regularly to keep your system running smoothly.
Do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share the video. Thank you.